How to install your Nexxt Home Smart Wi-Fi Mini Floodlight Camera. Make sure you have all the parts and tools you need for the installation at hand. Place the camera bracket against the surface and use a level to mark the position where it will be mounted. Use a pencil to mark the position for the bracket holes on the wall. Drill into the markings to bore the holes for the plastic wall anchors and the screws. Introduce the wall anchors. Before attaching the bracket to the wall, pass the USB cable through the slots on the rear side of the bracket for a more effective installation. Then, screw the mounting bracket onto the wall. Place the rubber cover on the power adapter and plug the USB cable in. Now, plug the camera into a power outlet. The floodlight will blink. The camera has automatically entered pairing mode and is ready for setup via the Nexxt Home app. With this, you have learned how to install your Nexxt Home Smart Wi-Fi Mini Floodlight Camera.